Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
We are underway here in Autonomous in match number 16 as we see teams flood into the middle of the zone to pick up fuel. It is 12-5 as the Red Alliance starts to shoot. It is a high scoring affair with almost all teams shooting into the hopper right now. It will be 56-26 in favor of your Red Alliance as we enter the teleoperated period. Both teams get an opportunity to shoot here in the first 30 seconds of the match to try and score as much as they can before the alliance shift happens. We see Super Duper coming over to pick up as much fuel as they can before running back as the Blue Alliance takes the first shift here. It is 234 Cyber Blue shooting for your Blue Alliance as their teammates look to just gather some fuel as the alliance shift period comes to an end. Team Hammond out in the middle gathering as the Red Alliance takes over. As you see almost all teams firing here for your Red Alliance, bring their score up to 180 points with 1:30 in this match. The Blue Alliance continuing to gather fuel here as they prepare for the upcoming shift. As your Red Alliance still collecting, Super Duper firing a short salvo. The Blue Alliance now, with the alliance shift in their favor, shooting and scoring into their hub as the Red Alliance comes to start collecting more fuel. A very high-scoring affair between your 1 and 2 ranked teams here. It is the Red Alliance trying to come back over to their side as they get their final alliance shift period here in match number 16. Afterwards, going to an endgame period where everyone can score and try to hang. It is 2:30 for your Red Alliance with 9 seconds left in their alliance period. 2:34 gathering fuel and coming back over for the Blue Alliance, lining up to shoot as the alliance enters the endgame here with that whistle. Everyone looking to score just a few more points, trying to get as much out of this match as possible. As we see 135 playing defense on Super Duper. The Red Alliance coming back to fire with 10 seconds remaining in this match. 270-160 your score. As you hear the crowd shouting down for this, it is 3, 2, 1, and time 307-189 at the end of regulation. 310-189, your final score.